Hi, I'm Warren Nash and today I'm going to show you how to poach an egg using Heritage Breed's Royal Leg Bar eggs from hens looked after by farmers, giving them the best quality of life.
And the easiest way to poach eggs is by cracking them into a ramekin first. And by using eggs from hens that are free to roam and fed on a nutritious diet means they'll be fresher, the egg whites will be thicker, which will make them perfect for poaching, and they'll taste even better. Now, bring some water up to a boiling point in a saucepan, season with some salt and add 1 cupful of vinegar. Now bring the heat down to the lowest it can go on the stove and then stir using a wooden spoon to make a gentle whirlpool in the water. Now take the egg we cracked into the ramekin earlier, and whilst the water's still spinning, carefully pour it into the middle close to the surface of the water. Then simply leave to gently poach for about 3.5 minutes for a soft centred yolk or about 4.5 minutes for a hard yolk. And when the eggs poach to your liking, simply remove from the pan using a slotted utensil, drain any excess water off the surface of the egg and then serve straight away. And poached egg always goes great on toast or is a brilliant way of jazzing up salad by laying the egg on top.
And you can see more of my recipes using Heritage Breed's eggs by clicking on one of the videos on the screen.